Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about a topic called ratios and proportions. First of all, what do you mean by a ratio? The ratio of two quantities A and B in the same units is called a fraction A by B, and we write it as A is to B. In the ratio A is to B, we call A as first term antecedent and the second term B is called as a consequent. For example, in a ratio 5 is to 9, 5 represents antecedent and 9 represents consequent. It also represented as 5 by 9. Next point, the multiplication or division of each term of a ratio by the same non-zero number doesn't affect the ratio. Means 4 is to 5. If you multiply 2 on both sides, then it becomes 8 is to 10. If you multiply 3 on both sides, it becomes 12 is to 5. When we cancel out this, we get the same ratio. Means the multiplication or division can't affect the given ratio. Next, let's see some important points regarding to the proportions. The equality of two ratios is called as a proportions. If A is to B is equals to C is to D, then we write A is to B in proportion with C is to D. Here A and D terms are called the extremes. B and C are called as the mean terms. We had a formula that product of means is equals to the product of extremes. So, product of extremes is equals to the product of means. Then AD is equals to the BC. If we have a ratio like this, if A is to B is equals to C is to D, then here D is called as the fourth proportional. By the formula product of extremes is equals to the product of means, we can write D is equals to BC by A. Next important point is third proportional. What do you mean by third proportional? If A is equals to B is equals to B is to C. Here we have three terms A, B, C. Here C is called as the third proportion of A and B. So by the same formula, product of extremes is equals to the product of means, we can get B square is equals to AC. By that, C is the third proportional. C can be written as C is equals to B square by A. Next, mean proportional. Mean proportional of A and B is square root of AB. Comparison of two ratios. We know that comparisons is done by two symbols, less than and greater than. If A is to B is greater than C is to D, then A by B greater than C by D. In the same way, less than also. Compounded ratio. If n number of ratios are given, then the product of antecedents is equal is to the product of consequence. Here A is to B, C is to D, E is to F. In all this term, the product of all the first terms, antecedent A, C, E is to all the consequence B, D, F. B, D, F is means the product of first term is to second term is a compounded ratio. Let's see some important factors. Duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Subduplicate means we have to do the square root for the given ratio. Square root of A is to square root of B. What do you mean by triplicate ratio? Cubing of a given number. A cube is to B cube. Subtriplicate. Cubed root of A is to cubed root of B, or A power 1 by 3 is to B power 1 by 3. If A by B is equals to C by D, then by using compoundendo and dividendo rule, we can write this ratio as A plus B by A minus B is equals to C plus D by C minus D. Next, we had some variations in the proportionality. X is directly proportional to Y. Then it can be written as X is equals to Ky for some constant K. When X is inversely proportional to Y, then x is equals to k by y. Here k is a constant. Thank you. That's it.